Assalamu alaikum, my dear student, grade 5. Today our lesson is about Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. In this lesson, inshallah, you will be able to learn themes and formatting background regarding your slides, and you will be able to run Slideshow, and I will teach you how to make saving for your presentation. So let's open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Here it appears as soon as you open the Microsoft PowerPoint, it says here click to add first slide. So click here, you will find your first slide is designed like this. You can choose definitely how to design your own slide by yourself. Just click on the design tab, and under the design tab there is a ready-made themes. We call them ready-made templates. They are templates. We call them a template. You can choose from here as you want your slide to be. Okay, you have here in the drop down menu more slides you can add, more designs to your slides. Okay, or you have other option to do is to format your background slide as you want. You can make it solid fill, and you can choose a color, okay, from here, and you can choose gradient fill. You have so many options here to fill your slides, and you can choose the preset color, and you can choose the direction of your color. You want it from the bottom, highlight it from the bottom. You want it highlighted from the side, and if you want it highlighted from the left side. You can add more colors to your slide if you want. Just click the add button, the color button. Select your color that you want to add to your slide, okay, and say here to increase your color size and the transparency, and to move it wherever you want. You want it in the center, on the left, on the right edge, as you want, and you can just click on close. The second thing, we'll go back to format background, and let's see the third option here, picture and or texture fill. Texture fill, here is the ready-made textures, okay, like if you want it paper, and if you want it as a marble or as a water, okay, you can choose your texture from here, and it will be applied to your slide background. Or if you have some picture that you want to insert it from some other file, okay, like you want to insert any picture, for example, you can insert your picture here. Okay, you can solid also, gradient, picture or texture, okay, or picture from here. Okay, you can have more ready-made palettes like cover, like dark cover, green. You have so many templates here to choose from. To add slide to your presentation, all you have to do is just right click here in the slides pane, and choose new slide. Your new slide will be created automatically. So now you have 1 and 2 slides. To add more slides, just keep clicking here and say new slide. To duplicate the current slide, just click on the slide and right click on it with the mouse button and say duplicate slide. The duplication of this slide will be created. Now I will show you how to make a slideshow for your presentation. Is you have to click on this button here, slideshow button, okay, and click with the mouse. Your slides will be in show mode, or click on slideshow tab and then click from the beginning, and every time you click the mouse button your slide will be changed. Thank you very much. Finally, how to save the presentation. Click on the office button and click save as. Now type your presentation name here, okay, and click on save button. Now your presentation is saved. Thank you very much. That was the lesson for today.